You will have machine safety combined with cybersecurity requirements, so this will be another challenge. All in all, it's a real revolution with Safety 4.0.
Schmersal is enabling safer and more productive logistics and intralogistics operations. Today, we have Mr. Edgar Stadler, CTO of Schmersal Group, share how their safety solutions are evolving for the future.
LogiMAT is a perfect platform, not only for India, but especially for India. And as you can hear, I'm a German resident, and the LogiMAT itself, so it's a hometown in Stuttgart. So I'm living in Stuttgart, so I've been to the German LogiMAT several times, even for 10 years. I'm very happy that now it's a third edition of LogiMAT being in Mumbai, and this is perfect. So this is an upcoming industry, and Schmersal delivers safety, and safety is an enabler for a successful automation of this industry. So this is a perfect match. What attracts me most is not only not only bound to logistics, it's the general approach of Indian industry to the challenges, to the digitalisation and all the industrial automation challenges. And logistics and warehouses industry is an increasing industry, one of the most important for us as Schmersal, but the way how Indian people, how Indian engineers anticipate the challenges, what the dynamic, how they scale the challenges, this is really impressive, and I'm very happy to be here in India. India plays an increasing strategic role globally in our group. And as you might know, we have founded our factory more than 15 years from now, and we are investing a lot in our subsidiaries here, in our location here. So we are growing here, the hub, the Schmersal Global Competence Center here. We have founded another subsidiary or another location in Ahmedabad, in Gujarat. You can see there, this is an important market for us. It's an important development hub, so it's both. And it's one of the most interesting market for the future for us. We will have a paradigm change from, let's say, safety components to safety systems. So going to be predictive systems instead of being static systems. We will have a change more from hardware-oriented to safety-oriented. So safety features will define the products of tomorrow, and will be scaled for automation demands from the logistic industries. So we need more and more software-enabled safety. So the flexibility is given by software features defined by software. So we offer configuration tools, we offer parameterization tools for the devices, and the way how we design the product. So our goal is to have a product for the global market, not to lose our focus with having different variants for different applications. So we try, and we do not only try, we make the products configurable and programmable and flexible, and this helps us to solve different approaches from different industries and even from different customers from logistics industry. In addition, we will have we support customers with digital twins. This helps them to fasten up the engineering, to install the devices, even to have samples and to run the complete machine, the complete logistic solution in a digital environment. And last but not least, the cybersecurity and safety. So you have to bridge the gap. So it's not only safety, machine safety anymore, it's cybersecurity for the logistics industries. And I think this is one of the most challenges for me as a CTO, to build up security know-how in our organization and to have security experts and to bring this security into the devices, or even to support the customer to build up a secure environment to be robust and against any cyber attacks. So we do not only design the features for giving diagnostic data, but we implement all the necessary security measures coming from the standard, which is IEC 62443, and there will be a new machine regulation coming into place January 1st, 27, and we are preparing for this. And the SD gateway will be one of these devices prepared for complying to this standard. But even for the other products, we do risk analysis in terms of security that we know in very detail how robust and how secure our products are for the market and for our customers. Yeah, I think this is part of this paradigm change. So it's not only safety, but along with safety, we deliver diagnostic data, we deliver maintenance data, we deliver OEE data. So we offer cloud solutions where we measure safety data, where we measure energy consumption, and we combine this to a, let's say, to a system and solution, not only offering safety, but many other automation features for our customers. So all in all, there are real important trends ongoing. So the next decade will be a very interesting decade, and AI will support this as well. AI features in safety devices, I think this is not the state of the art, but this will be within the next 2 to 5 years. I think this will be a reality as well.